Hi guys, so today we'll do IIFT cutoff analysis. In this video I tend to give you guys round about previous 4 years cutoff analysis. Now why you should be doing cutoff analysis? This is just to help you guys to understand in 2018, if like what should be your bare minimum number of attempt to kind of clear the cutoff. And it's always good to have an idea that how this exam has been performing, as far as last 4 years is concerned. So let's have a look at the cutoff. Okay, so 2014, 15, 16 and 17. Now we'll start with GK first. So as far as GK is concerned, what can we see here is, if you look at GK, the cutoff was 2.49, then it was 0.82, that's 15. Then you have 0.82, that's again 17. So I think level was quite same, 15 and 17. Then you have 1.9 and that's 2. Now, so how do you take this basically? Now, if you look at GK, right, so the bare minimum cutoff or the minimum should be 0.82, say maximum should be around about 2.50. So that should be your cutoff as far as your GK is concerned. So this kind of thing, gives you a little understanding, okay, this will be my cutoff, that's how I should be attempting my questions in lap 1 or, in round 1 to kind of clear the GK cutoff. Now, if you look at the number of questions that GK has been asking, so you have this 26 here, then you have 28 out here, then 25 and 18. Oh, there is a drastic dip actually as far as 2017 is concerned. But if you look at over a period of time, right, the level of difficulty for GK has actually gone down, and attempting round about 5 to 6 questions has always been easy as far as IIFT GK is concerned. So guys, you can understand, this year the prediction to be round about say you will get round about 18 to 25. So this will be the lower level, this will be the upper level. So this is the range of GK that I can predict as of now. Now, if we move ahead and have a look at quick to the DI, right? DI number of questions, if we talk about, earlier it was combination with the quant, so this is 15, then you have 18, okay, then you have 20, last year again it was separate, so you have 20, right? So I think the cutoff, not the cutoff, but I think the number of questions that you can expect in DI should be ranging from 15 to 22, so that should be your DI ka mota moti number of questions that you can do a little bit of prediction about. As far as the cutoff is concerned, it's a combined cutoff, so we can't say anything about it. Again, it's a combined cutoff. What do we have last year? 0.25. Then the previous year is again like 8. So if you look at the level of difficulty of DI last year, it was really, really bad. There will be a video eventually that I'll be uploading today itself, wherein I'll be telling you what needs to be taken care of as far as your data interpretation is concerned, because DI is really going to be tough. It has always been like that. And if I say it's not going to be tough, then it's kind of calculation intensive. So you have to literally calculate a lot, right? But again, in IIFT, you don't have to do the calculations. You have to kind of break the data. So kind of understand, okay, what data is coming from where and how it needs to be applied. So ye thodi si dikkat hoti hai. I think the rest of things are manageable. So DI, I am expecting around about 15 to 22 questions. But yeah, your cutoff will be ranging from round about in the same category. Should be, if it's very tough, 0.25, if it's something manageable, then I can say max 3 questions, rather 3 marks. But I think this is on a very aggressive level, or this is like being very optimistic about it. 3 is the maximum thing, right, that you can think about. Now let's move ahead with verbal ability. If you look at verbal ability across here, 20, then 20, 20 and 20. So you can expect this to be around about, say, this will not go up, but yeah, it can again in the range of 18 to 20 questions. You can see as far as VA is concerned. Last year the level of difficulty was really bad, so you had around about 3.35 cutoff. So this is what you can understand. If VA comes as a separate section altogether, then the cutoff, and if it's tough, if it is as tough as 2017, you should be ranging from 3 to 4 marks. That should be a cutoff. If it goes down as far as level of difficulty is concerned, it might move to 4.5, right? Something like that, which you need to keep in mind. Now, what if it's not a separate section, but if it's a combination like VA plus RC? Then for VA plus RC, you can look at this cutoff over a period of time. 6.5, 8.75, we've got 9.67. So if you look at, it has been increasing over a period of time. It means when it's combined, right, the level of difficulty combining these two sections will be very much manageable. Now it has always been happening in IIFT that when I talk about VA RC, okay, if VA is tough this year, then RC will be on a little kind of a mild side. So VA gets tougher, RC gets a little bit easy, vice versa. Last year VA was really tough. I am expecting this year VA to be little bit at an easy level and RC to kind of go the ladder up, kind of, we'll have a little tough level. This is again my prediction. I'm not saying this is gonna happen. I'm just saying what I've seen as far as the last year analysis are concerned. Logical reasoning, I think logical reasoning is also stagnant. 20 you have in here you've got 20, you've got 20, and then you've got 22. So my prediction says that even in logical reasoning, you will get around about 18 to 22 questions. It has always been manageable as far as IIFT is concerned. Puzzles and other traditional logic like blood relation, direction, input, output, number series, coding, decoding, it has always been manageable. So I think you guys will not be struggling out here. RC, I think again, RC is like quite stagnant, 17, 16, 16 and 16. So I think if you look at the overall number of questions as far as IIFT is concerned, so 118, 124, 123 and 114. Yeah, you can see the reduction out here. Now why this reduction came in here? It's only because of your GK, because GK may you have 6 questions dip, right? So there were 6 questions going out. So because of that, you can see the dip in this entire segment. So I think this year you should be having around about 115 to 125 questions, right? But again, guys, couple of things will stay the same. You need to check how many sections are there. 6 sections, 6 cutoffs for each section. And again, you need to understand what is the negative marking, and you need to also understand what's going to be the overall cutoff for you, because understanding the level of difficulty. So if you keep these things in mind, just do me a favor, understand this, or just take a pick of these things, right? And kind of go back and check 14, 15, 16, 17 level of IIFT. Now, why do I say this? This is just to help you guys. There is nothing, hard and fast as such, but if you do it, it will help you. Say, for example, if I were you, what I'll do, I'll just check, okay, 2014 paper, how was it? Okay, what was the cutoff? Now, when I see 2018 IIFT, if I see, it matches, it's on the same level, yeah. So, it may be a chance that, you will have a same cutoff to be followed. Maybe plus minus 1 or 2 marks here and there, but it gives you a good idea that, okay, fine, the level of difficulty is like 2015 or level of difficulty is like 2016. I have to kind of break myself, I have to put break on my attempts. I should not be attempting a lot, or I should not be attempting way below. So guys, this gives you a little bit idea. It gives you a little bit edge or the advantage over other people if you know these kind of things, right? So yeah, just take a pick of this, keep it to yourself and just have a look at it and try and remember this if you can, because this will help you while actually solving 2018 paper. So guys, this is all I have from my side. I will be uploading a couple of more videos as far as IIFT and other exams are concerned. So stay tuned with me, and thank you so much for your time, guys. I wish you good luck.